It's in here. Can you do this one? Neat. Presents are over here, Haley. What's this? Relocate, Haley.
What? Haley.
Oh, Haley, what's this big guy? Haley, what's this? Oh, is that for you? Oh, you want to climb in? Climb up. Oh, it's perfect for you, huh? Oh, do you like it? Oh, you do, huh? Sit down. Oh, no. Can you sit in your chair?
Oh!
So cute. Oh. Isn't that a perfect size chair for Haley? Huh? Can you open this? Can you open this in your chair? Help Mama. Good job. Pull it. Can you pull? Your first birthday present, huh? Here. More interested in the chair, huh? You like that, huh? Yeah, pull it. Can you pull this piece of paper off? Good job. Thank you. Good. All right. Pretty paper, huh? Right, Mama's gonna try to open this, okay? Watch out. Keep those little baby fingers away.
Haley. What's she doing?
Can you wave to Daddy? Way better so she'll wave back.
Haley. Haley.
Wave it. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. What's in here? Sweet Haley, happy birthday. Oh, what pretty paper! You can save that and use it for decoration at your party, huh? We will. Come here. Oh, you want that? Here. Can you open this? Open this present. Whoa. What are these? Baby clothes for Haley? You like your chair, huh? How cute is that? Oh, you knew right what to do with that.
Haley.
Anybody, you like this one? You like this? Oh, that was bright, huh? We like that one. You like your fish one? I'm gonna give it some paper. Oh, not in the mouth. Thank you. Oh, what about this one?
Haley. Haley. Show clap. Show clap. Haley. Show clap.
Oh, look at this picture. Get this card. World's biggest card. You see your card? It says, "It's your birthday and there's something you should know." open it. Open it up. I love you. Happy first birthday. Says, I love Haley. Tell mommy and daddy take lots of pictures. XOXO Nana. You like that? Big card for your big chair, huh? You want your clothes? And there's something else in here for you. What's in here, Haley? Yeah. Love. Because Nana loves Haley. Nana loves Haley. We'll put that in your room. We'll put it in your room. What's in here? Oh, look at this. Birthday, Princess Haley. Oh,
Ah!
and your hat. You're gonna take that right off, huh? You like your sash though, huh? Birthday, Princess. Oh, you gonna put it back on? Okay, what's in here? What's in here? An elephant! Oh, really bag. You like clothes? You like Mama, you like the clothes, huh? Yeah. I didn't put it back on. You want your hat? Put your hat on. You're the princess. You have to wear your sash. Oh. You want to put your new clothes on?
No, it would crawl over there.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, Haley, Claire. I see what you did. I see what you did. You're going to flip off the back of that. You come back over here and you can play with your chair. You do. You want to climb back in it, huh? Girl. Chairs are for sitting, not for standing, Haley. Whoop. Sit with your elephant. Say thank you, Nana. Thank you, Grandpa Jack. I like my chair. Whoa! Let's see if we can get her walking a little bit. Here, Mama, move your clothes. Walk on the paper. Okay, then. Ready? Look. Ready? You don't like that? You don't like that? Okay. Okay. Sorry. I thought you would like it. No? Okay. We'll put it away. Okay. Can you blow kiss? Blow kiss. Say thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Where are you going to go? Oh, what, your chair, huh? And Mama move her chair. The tag, of course.
That little thing. Hey, Ellie. Oh, got your elephant? Oh. I'm gonna tell that elephant to get out of your chair, huh? Alright, I guess I'm gonna stop.
Okay. Just trying to push